This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on preparing updates. So if your iPhone is stuck on preparing update page, just follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is turn on Wi-Fi assist. Open your iPhone settings and tap on mobile or cellular data. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and enable Wi-Fi assist option and then check the issue. And the second solution is check your internet speed. If you're using a poor internet connection, then you won't be able to update your iPhone. So make sure to use a stable internet connection. You can switch your internet between Wi-Fi or cellular and then restart your iPhone and try to re-update your iPhone. And the third solution is change your Wi-Fi configure DNS. Go to Wi-Fi, tap on this eye icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Scroll down and tap on configure DNS. Select manual. Remove previous DNS from here. Tap on add server and add this server 8.8.8.8. Again add server and now add the server 8.8.4.4. Tap on save. Once done, restart your iPhone and hope this will fix your iPhone not updating issues. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.